Are you looking for a compact and portable system to light up your home or shop? Don't have grid power but still want to watch TV? Do you want to carry power everywhere you go, be it a picnic or an expedition? If you are looking for answers to such questions, Genus Saubhagya can be the right answer. This small product comes with so many features that can bring joy into your life and make you energy independent. So, what's so special about this product? Let's understand how this offering from Genus, the leading company in India to manufacture inverters, batteries and solar all under one roof, can address so many applications people search day on day basis. This small yet intelligent system comes with its own power generator and has an inbuilt energy storage system. The solar panel charges inbuilt batteries to provide sufficient power to run your loads during the daytime and night time. With this system, you can run up to 5 LED DC bulbs or LED button lights, a DC fan, a TV, and can charge your mobile using the 5V 2A USB charging socket. The Saubhagya solution comes with a solar panel of 335W with max VOC 22W and a portable system comprising solar charge controller and lithium battery of 80,000 mAh. The battery is capable of powering 2 LEDs, 5W each, for 80 hours in a single charge. The solar panel generates enough power to charge the battery during the daytime and run the connected loads. So the battery is used only when the power from the sun is not enough. Let's understand it functions step by step. Turn on the system from the front panel using on-off reset switch. The system has 7 load points. Let's check them one by one. 5 DC jack points are for DC LED bulbs or DC batten. Each point has the output current capacity up to 2.5 ampere. The 1 DC jack point is for DC fan with the same output current capacity of 2.5 ampere. The 2-pin John socket has been provided for the DC TV. This point has the current capacity up to 3 ampere. USB type A is for mobile and tab charging. This point has current capacity up to 2 ampere. All loads point operate on 12V DC and the USB has 5V DC output. The MCB at the front enhances overall safety of connected loads and the system. Do remember to keep it on during the time of operation. Let's understand how to connect the solar PV panel. Make sure while making any connection the power switch is in off condition. We can connect up to 335W maximum VOC 22V. Connect the solar panel's positive red wire to the system's PV positive and solar panel's negative black wire to the system's PV negative point. Keep it at the 30° angle facing south. Make sure there is no shade on the panel throughout the sun hours. After connecting, turn the charger on and notice the charger current displayed on the LCD. The LED indicator on the front blinks during the charging of the battery and becomes static upon full charge. The low battery LED indicator turns on when the battery is drained and requires recharge from solar. The fault indicator LED at the front panel turns up in case of any faults such as overload, short circuit, over PV voltage and over PV current, etc. To reset it, simply restart the system. The system also comes with an inbuilt GPS tracker which helps us track the location of the system if required. We would recommend trying this product and experiencing the benefits it offers to you.